Now we are walking to the circuit area where the cars are going to spawn. Yeah, it's a little bit a distance, but what to do? Here we go. It's a bit hot, humid also. And I hope it will be a very great entertainment, it will be a great adventure for us today. So keep here, watch all the sprinting cars, watch all the favorites.
Si lo haces en la salida,
These sports people like Hamilton, Russ, Van Verstappen, Alright, I'm still walking, heading to the entrance. Yeah, it's quite a long distance. Yeah, we have to walk. We're going to the arena circuit now, as you can see. People are walking. It's a bit hot, but we have to move and go. So guys, come along with me. Let's go to the circuit and enjoy the sport, enjoy the sprinting cars, enjoy the racing.
Very good, very hot.
Yes, very good and very hot.
Sandy, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Back to the Middle East.
We're here in Qatar. How excited are you to get out on track?
I'm excited, obviously, first time for me. I've done a lot of simulator work and it looks very, very fast. So I think in a Formula 1 car it should be pretty exciting. But obviously a new track, and with the sprint weekends, it's going to be quite difficult, I'm sure, to learn everything quickly, but I'm excited.
You weren't expecting to be racing this weekend, right? And then Daniel gave you the FaceTime saying...
Very good, very hot.
Yes, very good and very hot.
Sandy, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Back to the Middle East.
We're here in Qatar. How excited are you to get out on track?
I'm excited, obviously, first time for me. I've done a lot of simulator work and it looks very, very fast. So I think in a Formula 1 car it should be pretty exciting. But obviously a new track, and with the sprint weekends, it's going to be quite difficult, I'm sure, to learn everything quickly, but I'm excited.
You weren't expecting to be racing this weekend, right? And then Daniel gave you the FaceTime saying...
Hi Sergeant. Hi Alban. Hi Alistair.
She's older, yeah?
Ooh, wow.
أبو الشاب شرح
حلوة. يا
لا والله انا كنت عمركم لانه عندي الشباب احضرها معهم على الهيل فخلصت عملت الفتوى بتاعتي المين جراند ستاند.
Everybody is ready with the camera, trying to capture the best. The cars are racing so fast, they are really sprinting, but we try to get as much as I can. Yeah, that I can update my subscribers, my viewers. Yeah, it was a very nice adventure. I can't miss these clips, guys. You see, my neighbors are watching on the screen at our back as we wait for their cars to come to the circuit again. Yeah, it was cool.
ونذكر بأنه بحاجة إلى تواجد.
This race, and he's going to have George Russell breathing down his neck. Now then, the safety car is coming in at the end of this lap. In fact, the safety car is already in, so Piastri is backing them up. He's going to go as we go on to lap number 3 for Oscar Piastri. He's withstanding the pressure from George Russell, and it's a fight between the young Titans here, the two young drivers, both with great futures.
Now that the screen, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. Almost hitting that board. Wow. Almost.
George Russell, Max Verstappen, seemingly content to do what he needs to do, just finish in the top 5 and win the World Championship, and that's a thrilling figure for Logan Sargent. So we've been told by Williams that they will not make a decision until the end of the season. Logan Sargent didn't need that clear.
نذكر بأن السباق اليوم الثمانية الأوائل فقط هم الذين يحصلون على المركز الأول، سيحصل على 8 دقائق بينما
the safety car is coming in at the end of this lap. So once again, it is going to be Oscar Piastri as we get another replay from the start, and not the best start at all for Lando Norris, who lost for several into this turmoil. A much better start from George Russell, who almost got the wheel to wheel.
Yeah, the Verstappen fight.
Lando Norris just two Ferraris making a move. Looked like they really wanted. That was the move from Max Verstappen. As again, just in front.
نذكر بأن هنالك منطقة واحدة فقط لتفعيل الDRS هي على خط البداية النهاية، ولكن على السائق أن يكون بحدوث ثانية واحدة فقط من السيارة التي أمامه. جورج راسل الآن بما أنه المتصدر هو السائق الذي يتحكم بصدارته ميعاد الانطلاق من جديد.
George Russell then is now the driver. Russell goes early. George Russell pulls the pin really early, and he's left there Oscar Piastri in his dust there. That is a brilliant restart from George Russell. Of course, the leading driver is the driver to make the decision, and that was brilliant. Now then, Oscar Piastri is going to come under real attention from Carlos Sainz, who's right in his wheel tracks, heading down towards turn 1, and again Piastri is going to become victim to the drive that is right behind him. From George Russell, who is now 1.6 seconds clear after 3 corners of the restart.
حاول الاستفادة من الفجوة الهوائية بسيارة الألبين، وبعد ذلك رجع السائق الإسباني بشق طريقه والتقدم إلى مركز السابق إلى اللحظة الأول تقسيط الغيارات نحو الغيار الرابع، وبعد ذلك
Gambling on the soft. Gambling on the soft. Ferrari from Perez drivers as well. He throws his hands in the air. We're surely going to have a third safety car. Sergio Perez can't believe what is happening to him. Verstappen sets the fastest lap of the race. Surely there's going to be another safety car. It's going to be a 2 or 3 lap sprint. But ladies and gentlemen, you're going to feel sorry for Sergio Perez.
هو سيرجيو بيريز يعني كان في المكان الغير مناسب على الاطلاق من هذه المعركه الثلاثيه
Yellow. From a medium distance and hard on long
وتراجع سائق مرسيدس من جديد الى المركز التاسع بينما اوسكار بياستري وسع الفارق بينه وبين جورج راسل الى اكثر من ثانيه. الفرق بينهما عباره عن ثانيه وعشر من الثانيه. ماكس فيرستابن في المركز الثالث ولكنه سيحاول الهجوم على جورج راسل بعد قليل. المعركه الان ستكون معركه داخليه داخل البيت الواحد بين كارلوس ساينز وشارل كلير والفارق بينهما تقريبا هو 14 من الثانيه فقط.
Not the best restart for Lewis Hamilton. He has been passed by Pierre Gasly. And in terms of the fight for second place in the Constructors' Championship, the pendulum is swinging back towards Ferrari. They're currently 4th and 5th with Carlos Sainz ahead of Charles Leclerc. He's a
من الثانية لدينا جورج راسل في المركز الثالث بينما كارلوس ساينز بالإضافة إلى شارل كلير يحتلان المركزين الرابع والخامس. 3 سائقين يقومون باستخدام الإطارات الميديوم بينما لاندو نورس على الإطارات الميديوم. الثلاثة هؤلاء السائقين جورج راسل كارلوس ساينز وشارل كلير على إطارات السوفت بينما لاندو نورس على الإطارات الميديوم. وربما سيحاول سائق فريق ماكلارن الهجوم على شارل كلير بينما فرناندو ألونسو يحتل المركز السابع. بيير غاسلي في المركز الثامن ولدينا لويس هامilton صاحب المركز التاسع. 3 لقاءات متبقية على
into the points again for Lewis Hamilton. This is brilliant racing. Clearly the drivers on the soft coda have made the wrong choice. The question now is how much advantage are the medium drivers going to have, because Albon is absolutely flying. Alex Albon is the 3rd or 4th fastest driver on the circuit. Another new fastest lap for Max Verstappen. Full of praise for the Red Bull team. They, of course, are the Constructors' Champions.
walking. Others are going to the arena for recreation, entertainment. Wow, it was a very nice experience, guys. Formula One, my first ever experience. I usually look at it overnight in the going down.
Metro this way. Exit this way. Metro this way. Exit this way.
Concert this side, all right. Actually, they are offering free water, which is very good because it's really humid. Oh my goodness, it's really hot. We need some more water. They're very kind. Parking lots. Concert side now.
Concert this way. Concert this way. Concert this way.
Yes.
Concert